Hey guys, today we are gonna be playing Meep City, and one of the latest videos of my cousin, and her channel is called Nutmeg Queen. She only got 6 subscribers, so if you want to check that out, yeah, you should go subscribe to her because she just started a new channel and she doesn't have that many subscribers. So I'm gonna help her out by getting more subscribers by me helping her. So yeah, I got a little creative here. This is my runway thing. So I put a TV here, so whenever we start the show, we turn it on. Then we got a jukebox. Then over here, I didn't have enough for a judge table, so I improvised and used this. And these are the little seats. I'm planning to do more, but for now, I just have those. So yeah, really boring. We are gonna go to the furniture shop and get 2 more seats. Oh, back to school. Okay, we don't need that right now, but we need a sofa chair. Pick a blue. Pick another one. Now I only got that, but that's okay. Let's put this sofa chair right here. Okay, so if you're wondering why I'm so quiet, it's because there's a party downstairs and I'm in South Carolina now. I'm usually, yeah. But today I'm in South Carolina because I'm here with my dad. So yeah, we got this even, I think. Looks pretty good so far. Then we're gonna put beanbag chairs here. So it looks cool. Well, we're not gonna exactly put beanbag chairs because they cost too much money. So we are gonna use something else that will work. Let's buy this. I have 36 coins left. We're gonna have to go fishing soon. Yeah. So yeah, and you should go subscribe to Nutmeg Queen. And yes, her channel is called Nutmeg Queen because she plays soccer. And she just loves soccer so much. So that's why she's doing it basically. So yeah, me and my cousins were playing Royal High earlier. We were doing like a role play. I don't know why. Yeah, but I love my tiny little kitchen. It looks so cute. Got nothing over here, blank space. I don't worry about that. That could be our bathroom. Oh wow. Okay, and I don't have face cams because I am poor and I can't afford any face cams, and I don't know how to do it. Well, me and my cousins don't know how to do it. So that's why we just don't do a face cam, and sometimes we do vlogs, and sometimes, yeah. So let's collect these. Oh, we got monies. That's a dark castle. Okay. So yeah, I'm planning to do a vlog soon enough, but yeah, let's actually join another game because I'm getting bored. So yeah, let's join another game. Okay, we are in Bee Swarm Simulator, and I've played this like a lot of times, so you want to see my bees? I got 2 legendaries. I got the Diamond Bee, which is level 4. Then I got the Lion Bee, which is legendary, and it's level 5. So I got 2 legendaries. The rest are just rares or epics, and yeah. So I'm gonna get like a... Yeah, I'm gonna get like that. So yeah. And we need to complete this first because like it's kind of annoying to me. Colorless collection. Fifth. And this is gonna take a long time. Maybe. All the main bees are just gonna do work for me. Haste. I want to haste. I love the legendaries. Okay, it's so hard owning this many bees. It's so hard owning this many bees. It's like, it's so hard. Let's go sell our pot. So we got no pros here except for that guy. He's beating me. She's a noob. She's a noob. She's a noob. She's a pro, and I'm the middle pro. I'm the pro. He's the master. Okay, I only like the legendaries. But every bee deserves to be here. Yeah, every bee deserves to be here. You heard what I said. Every biz. Bum 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 bum. This is so stressful. My finger's gonna hurt so bad after this. I swear, my finger's gonna hurt so bad after this. How much treats did I get? 10. I feel like 600. Let's reset. It's an easier way to get there. Let's give a treat. Let's get 1, 2, 3, 4. Bomb baby, baby, bumble. Fire bee, frost bee, honey bee, braids bee, rally bee, shocked bee, baby bee, demon bee, diamond bee, lion bee. Music Bee, Ninja Bee, Shy Bee, Bear Bee, Cobat Bee, Guys, it's nighttime here and I'm getting real tired. So we'll continue playing some Roblox after. So bye.